Thanks to polymorphism, I don't have to waste as much time on this code. Polymorphism. 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 Now, I am no hardcore computer engineer, computer scientist just yet. I mean, I am hardcore in some respects for certain languages maybe, but definitely don't know as much as some other people out there. And yet, I do know that polymorphism is a powerful feature of programming these days, depending on what language you use. And so what is it? Well, polymorphism in engineering, more specifically computer programming and coding, well, it's the feature of a programming language, some programming languages, to be able to create functions or a set of directions for the computer where that function can work on all sorts of different data. So, for example, you might have one function that says multiply. And okay, sure, it can multiply regular integers. But that same function, you could use it on decimals. You could use it on maybe vectors. Maybe it'll work on matrices. Maybe it'll also work on functions. Like maybe this one function called multiply, when you type out multiply for your computer in your coding language, it doesn't matter what you put inside it. It'll know how to multiply it. And that's pretty incredible. Because can you imagine if it didn't have that feature, if we were working back in the olden days of Fortran or something, and then I would have to go and find a different function for every single type of multiplication? Like for an integer, I'd have to do multiply integer and then type my integers. And then if I wanted to do decimals, I'd be multiply decimals. And then if I wanted to multiply vectors, I have to multiply vectors. And then it'd be really annoying. My philosophy, my understanding of computer science is that half these innovations in computer science is just a way of avoiding being annoyed and to try to avoid doing things over and over. And so, yeah, polymorphism is super powerful because, yes, it can make your code more easier to organize, easier to manage, and it makes it more powerful because your computer program can do more things without you having to type up all this other random stuff, and it can maybe avoid errors. So if you are a hardcore computer scientist and I misrepresented this, let me know. But otherwise, most engineers should understand this feature of programming today, polymorphism. That's our word of the day, polymorphism. I'm Pius Wong. I'm an engineer who has a consulting education company called Pios Labs, and it's also a studio that produces this podcast and the K-12 Engineering Education Podcast. Thanks for listening. If you'd like to support Pios Labs and myself, please do at www.patreon.com/Pios Labs, Pioslabs.